Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will see DevOps projects which we can work on from beginner level to advanced level and what all resources we can refer to complete those projects. So without further ado, let's start. So I have created this GitHub repo which I will give in the description box for the reference, where I have created folders for beginner, intermediate and advanced project with all the projects mentioned, and we can take up any project. Also the resources to complete that project I have given in readme also, and also inside that project description. So if we open beginner project, we'll see there are three projects. First project is to deploy a static website using Nginx and Docker. So how to deploy a simple HTML CSS website inside Docker container, what skills we learn, what tech stack will be used, what at the end we need to deliver, and what all documentation we can refer, that is given. The project 2 is CI/CD pipeline for a Java or a Node.js application, what all skills we'll learn, what all tech stack we'll use, how will be the workflow, and what all resources we can refer, that have been mentioned. In project 3, we'll see how to automate the infrastructure with Terraform, and the documentation part I have mentioned. Then comes our intermediate projects, and it has four projects. First is to containerize microservices application, so deploy multiple services communicating with each other, and we'll use Docker Compose for it. So what all tech stack, what skills we learn, and what all front end, back end API and database will be there. Then second project is Kubernetes deployment project, deploy application on Kubernetes, and we can use Minikube. I have given the Minikube and Kubernetes documentation as well. In project 3, we will have monitoring and alerting stack. So we have to monitor the application infrastructure, and we will use Prometheus, Grafana and Node Exporter. Then the project 4 is our collect logs from multiple services, what all tools we used, that is given, and their reference which we can use. Now in advanced project we have three projects. First is GitOps deployment pipeline. So we have to use Argo CD for it, or you can use Flux CD, whatever you want to learn, but GitOps tool will be used. And how we have to use git commit, Argo CD detect chain, automatic chain, Kubernetes updated. So this will be our project or our goal. Project 2 will be integrating security into CI/CD pipeline, complete DevSecOps pipeline, and we'll use the tech stack, Trivi, SonarQube, Docker, Kubernetes. This will be the flow. And our third project will be to production grade DevOps platform. So build an end-to-end enterprise DevOps environment, okay, where we will have GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Argo CD, Prometheus and Grafana. Everything will integrate. So these are the projects in the advanced level, and we have some official documentation, hands-on platform, and the project roadmap, DevOps roadmap we can refer. So all this is given in readme. So this is a consolidated GitHub repo which we can use and start our learning. So yeah, that's all. That's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.